Monday, July 15th, Astro Excel for the coming week. Sunday night, we bottomed down at the -10 line. We're pushing up now, starting at 7 this morning. We're pushing up to the 20 line. Be there all day through Tuesday. Going to be in positive territory on Wednesday between the 10 and 20 line with the slight pitch down in that frame. Pushing back up on Thursday to a peak at plus 35 or so around 3 a.m. Friday, then pushing back down to the 20 line into the close on Friday. Pretty strong bullish support for this week. Key spikes 2300 last night. This morning we've got a key spike here at 9 a.m. We've got a little flat top here between 1800 and 1900 tonight. Tuesday, big spike low at the close at 1600. One spike on Wednesday in the evening about 1900. On Thursday, then we've got this blue line spike at 3 p.m. 1500. And then this big low around 2300. Then on Friday, we've got this big spike here at 8 a.m. at about plus 17. So this week we've got good bullish pressure as we move through the morning here. We're starting to pick up and push to the upside. So we'll see how well the market matches to that.